In this video, we are going to talk about how to fix Acer monitor menu button not working, OSD lock button reset and firmware. Fix 1. Power reset the monitor. First of all, you have to turn off the monitor and unplug the power cable from the power wall outlet and press and hold the power button for approximately 30 seconds and wait a few minutes and reconnect the power and turn the monitor on. Fix to clean the button. Debris or dust or residue can hidden button functionality over time. You can use a compressed air or electronic contact cleaner to clean around the button. Always unplug the monitor before cleaning to ensure safety. Fix 3. Check for locked OSD. You have to hold the menu button for about 10 to 20 seconds to unlock the OSD. Some Acer models support unlocking via long press on the power button while powering on. Fix 4. Check for stuck button. Check if any button is physically stuck, preventing others from functioning. Press all the buttons firmly to indicate any jammed button. Ensure all buttons are released before attempting to use the device again. So doing all this step will help you to resolve the issue. Thanks for watching.